How to use group ordering on the Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you ordering for friends, family or the team? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to use group ordering on the Shake Shack website so everyone picks what they want and you can check out at once. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here you can simply log in with your credentials and once logged in, you can simply click on location and pick the shack you want and then choose pickup or delivery. So here group orders need a location and order type first. And with that on the menu page, you can then just click on start group order and you'll see options to name the group like Friday lunch. So here once you're done with it, you can set a deadline so everyone orders on time. And with that, you can set spending limits per person, allow a block customization, and add a quick note. For example, like no alcohol, office order, or please add utensils. And with this, it will help to keep the order tidy. And once you're done with it, you can then just click on invite to copy the unique group link and share it in chat or email. So here once you do that, anyone with link can add their name, items until the deadline, and here each person's open the link, picks the items and customizes as needed, and then they can just hit add to group card and the name will appear next to their selection so you know who order what exactly. And here as the host, you can monitor who is in and see individual totals and remove duplicates. And when everyone is done or the deadline hits, you can then just click on lock card so no more changes come in. And with that, you can confirm the location, time and order and type add payment and place the order. And once you do that, you'll get a confirmation with the full breakdown so you can share the confirmation or pickup time with the group. And there you can set a deadline for 10 to 15 minutes early late and that's it. Group ordering is easy with Shake Shack. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.